and then the point A, okay, is the deepest, no, portion, anterior portion of the maxilla. Meaning to say, this is the anterior limit in the upper, the point A. Ang counterpart niya sa baba is the point B. This is the anterior limit of the mandible. No? This is very important if you're going to correct the root angulation labiolingually or labiopalatally. Okay? If you're going to upright the teeth, what will happen? Baka ito lumabas na dyan sa cortical plate yung inyong teeth, no? Like for example, dito, how far ba? Masyadong nakahiga, no? Layo pa, kaya ko pa magtayo, no? Masyadong nakahiga. If you get the angle of this, no? The lower incisor to the mandibular plane, kunyari, nasa 105 ka. So, it will interfere to the downward movement of the mandible. Gusto ko itayo ito. Kakayanin ba nung distance, nung apex of the root to point B? Kung itatayo ko yan, hindi ba lalilitaw yung roots niyan? Most especially if you're camouflaging a treatment for class 3. It's very important to locate the point B. Okay? Kasi usually tinatayong-tayo mo yung lower incisor to camouflage sa pagka-class 3 ng pasyente natin. Okay? Na-camouflage natin yan. So ngayon, nakita niyo itong green na to. Ito yung airway. Kaya nilagyan ko ng green. You have to find it out. And you see, you need to draw the condyle, and the highest point of the condylar head is the condylon. And this one, okay, dito tayo sa harap naman ulit. Makikita nyo dito, this is pogonion. Okay. The most prominent part of the anterior part of the chin. Anterior, most prominent part of the chin. Okay? And then, sa ilalim ng baba, ito siya. Kung naka-side view, sa SEF, ito yun. So, yan. Okay? This is your gnathon. And then, you can see the symphysis menti, no? And then the mandible, no? Kung saan nagtagpo yan, that's your menton. Okay? And then, the angle of the mandible is your gonion. So, yan lahat, no? Tapos ngayon, you can see, I put an anatomical point here in the mesiobuccal cusp of the first permanent molar and the premolar cusp tip. Okay? Because, no, there are some analysis, they're using this landmark, these points, to get the occlusal plane. Okay? Iba naman kay Witz, kasi ginagamit niya yung intersection ng dalawa. Si Downs naman, yung point, yung incisal tip of the maxillary maxillary central incisor. Okay? Ngayon, ito siya. Ito yung picture ng isang radiograph namin sa clinic. And then, if you have an iPad, no, Dr. Jen, no, ginagamit mo ba ngayon, Doc Jen? Or you have a cell phone to listen to my voice or to watch my presentation?
Ginagamit din, Doc.
If you will need an extra so you can follow.
Opo, meron po.
Meron. So, i-open nyo rin yan, i-copy-paste nyo lang yung link para mabuksan nyo yung discussion natin. So, I will understand if ngayon 14 people, mamaya magiging 23 people na tayo dyan. Kasi kung magdodoble-doble talaga kayo ng gadget. Okay? Para nakikita niyo yung presentation, at the same time, you're working on your own. And if you have mga attachment sa cellphone, much better. Like for example, yung mga pag nagbablog, di ba, may mga ganito. Ayan, ay mga ganito. Nakita nyo? Yan. Pwede nyo ipit yung phone, tapos makikita ko kung ano yung ginagawa niya instead of your face nung nandyan. Nakita niya dalawa ako. No? Dalawa ako dyan. Nakita niyo yung mga people na nag-join. Dalawa yung name ko. Isa naka-silent yung microphone, tsaka wala yung camera. Tama? So, mamaya pag nag-sharing ako, ma-on na yung camera, automatic na. So, ganun din kayo. You have to turn on your camera so that I can see, I can guide you. Meron tayong, may chat tayo dito, may chat box tayo dito. Ma-chat-chat ko kayo. Kaya hindi correct your point A, point B, ganyan. Makikita ko right away. Okay? So, for those who already, alam ko merong nag-message sa akin kanina eh. Dr. Nix, ikaw ba yun? Nag-print ka, tama? Dr. Nix, are you there?
Ako nag-print.
Ah,
Ang na-print ko po yung ang tawag ito yung panoramic po. Last week ako.
Yusef, nag-print ka rin.
Hindi ako.
Oo,
Pero
Yusef. But if you have the iPad, you can use your iPad now.
Wala po akong iPad, ma'am. Makikiprinta na po ako sa kabila.
Okay. So, para masundan nyo.
Apo.
So, ngayon, kung may iPad ka, katulad yan, I was able to print separately. Kasi sometimes, lalo yung protractor, ay di pala, compass. Wala namang compass yung ibang yung mga laptop natin or Unless talagang bibili ka or bibili ka ng software, automatic na yung magko-compute na yon. May compass na kagad nun. Okay? So, you need, in your tracing, alam ko naman lahat available sa inyo. Yung mga ganyang cute rulers, your compass, dalawang triangle, i-demonstrate ko sa inyo kung paano gagamitin yan, okay? Sa pagte-tracing, Magiging arkitekto tayo ngayon, magiging engineer tayo. Okay? So, I want you to trace, ngayon. Gusto ko, sige, i-prepare nyo yung gamit nyo, Doki. Prepare nyo. You can open another gadget, para maging dalawa yung naka-join dito. Make it sure yung microphone is silent nyo. Okay? And I want, okay. So, Doc, pinaprepare nyo na ba?
Apo.
Okay na po, Doc.
Okay na. So, yung iba habol. So, ilan pa lang? 15. Konti pa lang, ha? Magdalawa na kayo para mamaya, maano nyo na. Okay. So, if you have something na nandiyan na na-prepare nyo na, you have to trace na. I-trace nyo na to, gayahin nyo na to. So, let me check kung medyo malabo yung tracing ninyo. Check natin. This one. Dagdag tayo ng